Hi, my name is Ari Ojala, and today we are going to remove the rust from this cast iron top. In the previous video where I gave you a walk around of my new old table, so I told you that I was going to remove the rust from the table and going to make a video about it, and I think I will try two types of rust removal. First I will try the other side with just a random orbital sander, and the other side with a rust removal and a wet dry sandpaper. Let's see how it turns out. I started out with a way too fine grit for this kind of operation, so I swapped to a 60 grit sandpaper at some point, and I use a scrape to take off some paint drippings that were on this top. Okay, as you can see, the random orbit sander removed bulk of the rust, but I think now we have to start working on the other side. I can't remember the brand for the rust remover I use, but it's something I got from a bookstore, so I think you can go away with whatever you want. And I think I used a 400 grit sandpaper, and I use a block of 2x4 to make sure that my sandpaper was running straight. It seems that I didn't work with the wet dry sandpaper enough, so I think I'll try also with rust remover and a Scotch Brite patch to see how that works out. Okay. Okay, I think I will run everything over with a random orbit sander and then go over with wet dry sandpaper to see how everything turns out. The Scotch Brite patch seems to work alright also, but I think I'll go with the random orbit sander. I didn't put too much pressure on the sander. Let the tool do its work. Okay, this thing looks now a ton better than in the beginning, and there's still quite much rust in the top, but I'll have to figure out how to remove everything. If I had to do it again, I would just use the random orbit sander to remove bulk of the rust and do the wet sanding just at the end. I used a brake cleaner and paper towels to clean the top. Okay, I think I called the top done now and put some water-based polyurethane in there to prevent it from rusting in the future and make the taper slide more easy. It is very smooth right now.
Esimerkiksi
If you run out of paper towels, don't use toilet paper. It just doesn't work. I found that using a cloth and using a circular motion to apply polyurethane to the top worked best. I think that this project turned out better than expected. You can see the difference between before and after. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. And to stay tuned for more videos about this saw and other my projects, you should subscribe to my channel. And if you have anything to ask, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye.